Welcome to Techno School for Robotics, where innovation meets education and technology shapes the future. At Techno School for Robotics, we are committed to nurturing the next generation of tech innovators. Our comprehensive curriculum blends theoretical knowledge with hands-on learning experiences, empowering students to develop essential skills in robotics, automation, and artificial intelligence. Through collaborative projects, interactive workshops, and real-world problem-solving activities, students gain practical insights and a deep understanding of cutting-edge technologies. Our dedicated instructors guide them every step of the way, ensuring they are well prepared for future challenges and opportunities in the rapidly evolving tech landscape. Join us and be part of the future of innovation. Our courses range from foundational programs for beginners, where you can learn the basics of robotics and get hands-on experience with simple projects. We also offer advanced certifications for robotics enthusiasts who want to delve deeper into the field, working on more complex and challenging projects. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your expertise, we have the perfect path for you. From building basic robots to designing complex systems, our courses are designed to cater to all skill levels. We provide all the tools and guidance you need, including state-of-the-art equipment and expert instructors who are passionate about teaching and mentoring students in the exciting world of robotics. Learning robotics isn't just about theory, it's about bringing ideas to life through practical application and hands-on experience. At Techno School, we emphasize project-based learning. This approach allows students to engage deeply with the material, fostering creativity and innovation. Our students actively participate in national and international competitions, applying their skills to real-world challenges. These events provide a platform to showcase their talents and learn from peers. Like Master Danvant, who excelled in the Macalathon International competition with his line follower and obstacle-avoiding robot, demonstrating exceptional problem-solving abilities and technical skills, our students consistently achieve excellence. Their dedication and hard work are evident in the numerous awards and recognitions they receive, making us proud and inspiring future generations. Our state-of-the-art labs and workshops provide a dynamic environment where students can explore, experiment, and innovate. With access to cutting-edge technology and mentorship from industry experts, the possibilities are endless. Join our community of learners, dreamers, and builders. At Techno School for Robotics, we don't just teach robotics, we ignite passion and creativity, helping students build a future shaped by technology. Visit us today at www.technoschoolforrobotics.com and take the first step towards mastering the art of robotics.